Okay, let's take a look how we actually function or navigate the push-to-talk feature here. You can see here I have a transmit button here in the middle, so I can actually push this on the screen and start my transmission, or use the hardware button on the outside of the handset itself to start my transmission. Here at the top, it shows me what my current channel is that I'm actually going to be broadcasting on. This is the default channel 1, which is labeled all. And down here I can tell that the priority and the emergency channels are illuminated. This tells me that these are enabled as well. So I can start my transmission by pressing that button. You can see here it lets me we have an ongoing PTT conversation. And as that message disappears there, I want to show you too, if I was receiving this message, I could also see that I could ignore a PTT broadcast from another user as well. I can select that icon and choose that as well. Okay. So that's my broadcast tab here. So at the top here, I have my recent broadcast list here. So this is basically my history list of all the transmissions I've received. It also shows me what channel those were broadcast on. I have a second channel set up here for ICU nurse. Again, I could have many other channels as well. You can see the emergency and priority channels as well have been broadcast on as well. Okay. And here's my channels tab. I can see my current channels that I have enabled. Again, I have the all or channel 1, and my channel 2 is my ICU nurse. The star here indicates that that's my default channel. If I wanted to broadcast on the ICU nurse channel, I would simply select that. You can see it's highlighted now, and then I can go back to my transmit screen here and then transmit on that channel. So you can see that the channel icon had changed at the top, the name, so that lets me know that my current channel is channel ICU nurse. Okay. Similar so with the priority channel, I can select that channel, and that notice that the icon now changes to yellow, indicating I am on the priority channel, and I can transmit on that as well. Okay. Same can be said for the emergency channel. Icon changes to red, letting me know that's the emergency channel broadcast, which is typically channel 25, and I can broadcast on that as well. Okay. I'm going to go back to my default channel here, all, select that one, and you can see the icon changes back. Okay, now it is important to note that priority channel broadcast takes precedence over a regular channel broadcast. So anything channels 1 through 23 would be considered a normal channel broadcast, right? So priority broadcast is going to take precedence over normal channel broadcast. The same thing can be said for an emergency channel broadcast. Emergency channel broadcasts take precedence over priority as well as normal channel broadcasts. So you'll hear those first. And as a user, if I find that I'm actually transmitting on a different channel more often than my default channel, I have the option as a user to change my default channel. Okay, so for instance, I want to make the ICU nurse my default channel. I would press and hold on that, and I can see the menu that pops up here, and select the Set as Default Channel. So notice the star has changed now, that this is now my default channel. It's as simple as that.